What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some things that you may or may not have known about the FRS. So let's get into this video. So the first hidden feature, I guess you could call it, would be, a lot of people know about this already if you own a FRS BRZ or 86, is the 12 volt cigarette lighter in your glove compartment. So when you first get in your car, you're going to see this one, obviously, because it's right there in the open, and it's going to be one of the first things you see when you get in your car. But there also is one in your glove box. I'm not going to show you that right now because mine is a mess and it's just filled with a bunch of junk. But I am actually running my LED strips down there, and so that's what I have that hooked up to, so these are able to turn on. And number two, you can actually turn your trunk into it's like a really big safe. So like if you're going out somewhere and it's like kind of sketchy or whatever, and you want to throw something in there, something valuable, something expensive, you just throw it in there and you just lock it up and you're good to go. If you look over to the left of the trunk, there is a little button, and basically you just push that, and after you close it, you can only open it with the key on your fob. And so like the button on the inside of the car doesn't work, and the button on your fob doesn't work either. So you actually have to use the key and turn it, and it'll open. So on to number three, you don't actually need to turn your car on to see your gas, your mileage, your temperature, whatever you want to look at. Basically what you do is you come over here and you hit odometer trip. Everything should light up, and you can see your miles, your temperature, and your gas. And on to number four. This is actually pretty cool, I think. But unfortunately I don't have the option to do this. But basically, in the BRZs, on the head unit, there's a little SD card that'll probably go right about there. And you can upload like a picture or like whatever picture you want on there. And you put the SD card in there, and you can actually change the screen on your head unit. So I think that's pretty cool. But unfortunately, I'm not able to because I don't have the SD card slot. And I'm thinking about doing the swap or whatever. Maybe get some Apple CarPlay in here. I don't know. That's just a cool feature that I wish I was able to do. So for this next one, have you ever been with a friend and they can't open their car door or their side of the car, but your side does? All you need to do to fix that is hold down the panic button and the lock button. Just hold it down until the car beeps. It'll beep, and then the next time you go back, you open it from the outside, and this side will open as well. But if you're just one of those people that really doesn't care, all you got to do is hit the unlock button twice. That's what I do. I don't mind it. So for this next one, I actually have to start my car to show you guys, and I really don't want to, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. So if you're into cars, you've obviously tried to drift your car, but for this car, all you need to do is you come over here and you hit this button, and your traction light will come on. See that right there? It'll come on, but once you slide, it'll automatically turn off and your traction will be on. But to disable that, all you have to do is, let me turn it off really quick. All you have to do is hold this down, the light will come back on, and then that light will also come on after that, and that is how you disable your traction control 100%, and you won't have to worry about it. This is also really good for the track if you take it to the track, because we all know that this is a good track car because of the balance and the weight distribution. Another feature that I think is super cool, I know a lot of cars have this, but they aren't able to access it like this car. So once you turn your lights on, you can actually come over here, and there's going to be a little dial, and all you have to do is move it, and you can change the brightness depending on how you want it. You could have it all the way up. I like to have it right about here. It's not too bright, it's not too dim. And that's just something super small that I really like that they added to this car. And the last thing, so if you're ever working on the engine bay part of your car and the hood just isn't open far enough, there's actually another little piece where you can move your hood prop over into that place. You just unhook it, put it into that little piece, and your hood will actually open like almost all the way instead of where it normally sits. But that is going to be the end of today's video. I do hope you guys learned a few things if you're looking to buy this car or just want to learn more about it. I do hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every time that we post, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bitch in the back with no ring on. Always here once I get up, get down. Living like this till my time's gone. And I'm in infinite.